This is your Unit 3C Day 2 video. In this video, we are going to focus on I Can Interpret Key Features Standard 3A. You are going to be given a situation. You are going to need to write an equation. You are going to then solve it and determine what your answer means. So let's follow these steps. First, let's read it. Noelle and her family planted a 3-foot tall tree in their yard. They are told it will grow 2 feet each year. Noelle wants to know when the tree will reach a height of 35 feet tall. Write an equation to determine the number of years it will take for the tree to reach 35 feet. So my step 1 is to define your variable. When you look at this equation, or this problem, you can see it already gives you the variable. Write an equation to determine the number of y years it will take to reach 35 feet. So we know that the variable is y, and that is equal to years. Okay, next, we need to answer the following questions. What do I start with? So I'm going to look through my problem and see what do I start with? Not what's happening over and over again. What do I start with? And I can see right here in my first sentence, which is typically where you'll find this information, Noelle and her family planted a 3-foot tall tree. So the tree starts at 3 feet tall. So what am I starting with? 3. Next, how much am I increasing or decreasing? So I look, what is happening over and over again? And is something getting larger or smaller? And I look and I find that keyword each or every or per. Those are words that tell you it's happening over and over again. So I look here and I see what's happening over and over again. Oh, the tree is growing 2 feet each year. All right, then I'm going to go ahead and write that. What is it? It's 2 feet each year. Last, I need to find the total amount. I go up to my problem, and it says, Noelle wants to know when the tree will reach a height of 30 feet tall. So in the end, we're looking at a tree that is 35 feet tall. That's our ending time. That's our final amount. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to highlight that red and put it down here. 35. All right, and these are both feet. I'll just throw that in there. Why not? All right. My next step is to write the equation, and you use a simple formula. If you look down here, it is A plus B equals C, or A minus B equals C, depending on whether you're increasing or decreasing. So we know that you start with 3 feet. That is your A. Next, we're going to add, because we decided it was an increase. And what are we increasing by? What is my B? B is 2 feet each year. And remember that years, you guys, is that variable. It's that Y. So it's 2 feet each year is my B. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write 3 plus 2Y. And then my last thing when I'm writing my equation is what does it equal? C, my total. Well, it is equal to 35. Now that I've written my equation, I'm going to go ahead and solve. And you can see this is a simple 2-step equation. So we just have 3 plus 2y is equal to 35. Now what I do is I go ahead and undo my addition or my whole number, no variable. So I need to do the opposite if it's positive, and that means I subtract 3 from both sides. And now over here, I'm left with 2y is equal to 32. And then my last step is I'm going to divide both sides by 2. divide by 2, divide by 2, and I'm left with y is equal to 16. And then my answer is y is equal to 16, and then I need to answer it in context. Well, what is y equal? Y is equal to years. So it's going to take 16 years. That's a long time. All right. So what you're going to do now is you're going to complete the next few problems on your own, and good luck.